I'm using Italian flour, cold fermentation, and 0 shortcuts to make the ultimate pizza dough that works every time. Let's do this now. So this is that 7-inch flour dough, and we're just gonna make a bunch of pizzas today. I wish you were here, so I didn't have to do it. See that window pane? So here's the deal. You want to set up a really nice clean station for your dough. I'm still using the 00 flour as I roll these out. They're in 7-ounce dough balls. All the directions are in the captions on how to do this, but it has fermented for 3 days. Here's how we build it. We kind of add the yeast to the water mixture and salt. We get that going. We kind of bring together this liquid that helps us later in the process to really make this a really killer stretchy dough. We add about 10% of the flour mixture in, and we kind of just get all this going, and this is really our base. It kind of gets like goopy and like glue almost, and you just keep going and you just keep adding additions until everything is really good and integrated. Oh, I use those two flours, but in the recipe I put a 00 and single O flour. That's all in there, and it's kind of boom, we just keep adding flour and going and working with it. I really prefer the hand method. You can use your dough hook and such, you know, especially if you're doing big batches. This is a big batch that I'm doing, not the amount that's in the recipe. Once it kind of comes together, you drop in that oil. Then here comes the critical kneading phase, where you're just going to really get that oil into the dough. And ultimately, it's going to become this really smooth, amazing. See, it's already starting to come together a little bit more. And I've just got that on my clean counter. I just keep going and going. You'll see there, it looks even softer. And it just kind of continues that way through the whole process. And then now it's going to go for the 3 days. There's my finished dough that's rested. It's got a nice window pane feature. I am using a little rolling pin just to make it perfect for my little Uni electric oven. And then what's really critical is less is more in toppings. You're not seeing it here, but I put very little sauce, very few toppings, goes in, couple minutes, rotate it around, a little basil. Let's go, pizza.